welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for gold for Tuesday, September 10, 2013. Now the candle we're analysing is their second last candle in the chart. That final candle is still currently developing, but with this final candle we have had a confirmed change of trend to the downside, with the current candle making a lower high and a lower low. Previous day's trading we had a spinning top type candle where the market found resistance around the Tenkan-sen, a lot of indecision in the market and confirmation of the change of trend, with the market trading down below the low of the previous candle and then also trading down below the 1380 important level of previous resistance, which had turned into support, and a very bearish close down below that level, suggesting that this market may trade to lower levels. A very large black body candle where the sellers have closed with control. They've been fairly strongly committed to taking this market lower throughout the trading day, and the large black body suggests that the sellers have made a significant amount of net bearish progress, so some solid downside momentum in terms of the sellers. The only problem for the sellers here is that we see this shadow on the bottom, and obviously the influence of the Kijun-sen is coming into play, and we saw some buying coming back into this market, and the Kijun-sen acts as an area of support. Now that Kijun-sen is flat and price action has been attracted back towards there. It remains flat, and in this current candle that is developing, the market has tested even lower towards the Kijun-sen and has been rejected from there. So we should see very solid support coming in around here, and certainly around the 1350 level. In terms of the Fibonacci extension, we're examining the relationship of the first time frame downtrend to the previous time the market is trending down, and today, for today's candle, we've seen the market rejected from the 50% level, but it is a very bearish candle, so suggesting that there may not be any change of trend. Now in terms of the current candle that's still developing, we've seen the market interact again with the 50% level and be rejected from there, so suggesting that there may be a possibility of a change of trend, but we certainly don't have any confirmation of a change of trend at the moment. In terms of the Fibonacci retracement, the market has tested to the 100% level with this minor rejection for this candle that has finished developing, but as I've mentioned, on a bearish candle, it doesn't give us a lot of confidence. But at this current candle, it is developing some stronger rejection, with the sellers losing commitment in a more solid way, but still no change of trend, and we will need to watch the current candle as it develops. In terms of Ichimoku, some mixed signals in this market at the moment. We are seeing the market trading up above the cloud, so giving us a bullish market in that long-term time frame. We see the market trading above the Kijun-sen, so a bullish market in the medium-term time frame, but that Kijun-sen is pointing flat and price action has been attracted back towards there, so we're looking for the market to find some support around this area, and there is a suggestion that the market will find support. We are seeing price rejection from that region, but the market is still trading down below the Tenkan-sen, the green line, and has been rejected from there for the past four consecutive trading days, and the market has tested to its highs roughly around that area, with it now being rejected, so suggesting that the Tenkan-sen is a very solid area of resistance, and one that we should be very mindful of moving forward, that if this market does rally from where we're trading at, we may see selling coming back in around that area. But certainly the way this current candle is developing, it doesn't look as though we will see any selling, the market testing up towards that level. We are seeing the market finding support and creating a lower high and lower low at the moment, and testing down to the area around the Kijun-sen. Looking at the Chikou span, that is above the corresponding price action, so it's suggesting that there is quite some upside momentum in that longer term time frame, and supporting the bullishness that we're seeing in the long term time frame and the medium term time frame, and suggesting that this market will find support somewhere and then bounce off and trade to higher levels. But at the moment we don't have any signs of that happening. With this current candle being strongly bearish, there still is a possibility of the market trading lower than it is at the moment in this developing candle, but certainly 1350 is an area that we should watch. If we see strong bearish activity down below that area, we could see the market quickly trade down to 1329, but I'd suggest that we will see some support coming in there, and that's exactly what we're seeing at the moment. But if the market does rally very strong resistance overhead around the 1380 level as well.